I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY hydroponics vegetable grow operation. So I'm just using a standard wide mouth mason jar lid to trace out the holes for where the cups will sit. And then I drilled a starter hole. You don't necessarily need to do that, but I did anyway. And then I used a box cutter to cut the actual holes out. And you want to be careful whenever you're pressing these holes out, or wear gloves. That plastic is pretty sharp and can cut you fairly easily. So you can see right here, I actually thought I cut myself. I don't know why I'm not wearing gloves. I usually always have gloves on. It's a perfect fit. So this is what I did for the seeds. I used a combination of these pellets that you can get from Home Depot for like $5. They expand with water. You put your seed inside of them. The seed grows directly out of the pellet. Or you can just use your starts that you've grown. And I use these out of my tray, and I just wash the soil away from them, and then put the starts with just the roots into the cups with the ceramic pebbles. Okay, now I'm starting to put in the ceramic pebbles into the cups. I used 2 different size pebbles. I ordered some smaller ones on accident first, and then the regular larger ones, but it worked out well being able to use both of them, so I didn't waste anything. I had to originally measure how much water I was putting into each one of these containers so that I'd know the exact measurements for the liquid fertilizer that I needed to put into the containers. They each hold about 5 gallons of water, and then I was able to use my fertilizer mixture here and get it correctly measured. I got this oxygen pump off of Amazon for like $30. You just run a line into your container and it pumps oxygen in there for the plants. So both ways that I started these plants worked in the hydroponics. The container on the right has the peat moss pellets that expand with water, and the container on the left were the starts that were started in soil. They both worked well. The lights that I'm using here are just these super cheap LED lights that I got off of Amazon. There were like 5 lights for 40 bucks. I think if you're going to be growing plants with fruit or some type of a vegetable, you're going to want a higher UV light, but these work well for your greens. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video has brought you value. Please subscribe for more homestead and DIY fun. See you again soon.